ratio of actual rate of heat transfer to the maximum possible heat transfer. Mathematically, for hotter fluid, Ch in bracket Th1 minus Tho upon Cmin into Th1 minus Tc1 is equal to, for colder fluid, Cc in bracket Tco minus Tc1 upon Cmin in bracket Th1 minus Tc1. So both the formulas could be used for finding the temperature, because in LMTD method we will use the temperature if they are available, and in effectiveness of the heat exchanger we will use effectiveness of the heat exchanger for finding the temperature of the particular fluid. So the general form in finding the temperature is given below. That is, again, there is only one difference in this, that instead of taking Tho in hotter fluid we will take Tco, and in the place of Tco we will take Tho in colder fluid. So in such a way we will compare both of them and we will calculate any of the temperature between the hotter and colder fluid if the effectiveness is given, that means epsilon. So again, the another two main formulas are as given in the first bracket. Effectiveness of the parallel flow heat exchanger will be given as 1 minus e to the power minus NTU in bracket 1 plus R. R will be the capacity ratio. So R is equal to Cmin upon Cmax. So for parallel